Another one. Let's go. Another SMW.
8:02 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 47 nautical
Let's
miles
go.
northwest of Eastchester Bay to 25 nautical miles northwest of Upper New York Harbor to 15 nautical miles northwest of South Amboy, moving east at 40
Dude,
knots.
these storms are insanely crazy right now.
34 knots or
Goddamn.
greater. Source: radar indicated.
This is insane.
Intact. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near.
Dude, these storms are insanely crazy. Like literally,
Around 8:40 p.m.
this is absolutely crazy.
Execution Rocks, Hempstead Harbor, Mamaroneck Harbor, and Manhasset Bay around 8:45 p.m. Captain Harbor around 8:50 p.m.
Turn off the
Oyster
lights.
Bay Harbor and Stanford Harbor around 8:55 p.m. Cold Spring Harbor, Oyster Bay, and Long Beach Point around 9 p.m. Around 9:05 p.m. Long Islands around 9 p.m. Is a severe thunderstorm.
Yeah, it's not on WXM60.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms
Let's go.
pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. High waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. Keep caught on the
I don't
open
see any
water, stay below
polygon.
deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Jesus Lord.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Thursday. Severe thunderstorm watch 469 in effect
wait.
until midnight tonight.
Okay.
For tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots after midnight.
Jesus Lord.
Seas 3 to 5 feet.